Little airplane party favors made with push pops.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a push pop. Now these are quite common around here, and it's basically a little lollipop kind of candy that you push up as you eat it. And it comes in a little plastic holder, and it has a lid with a little clip on it that almost looks like a big fat marker. And they come in different flavors, and then the push pop will be a different color. These happen to be watermelon, and they are red on the outside. You'll also need some stick gum. I managed to find the aluminum foil covered stick gum in the Excel brand, and I just like the aluminum foil because it was metallic like an airplane. Those will be the wings. Now, to make these a little bit more sturdy and to give them a little bit more color, I just wrapped each stick of gum with a little piece of paper. I used red here to match the push pops. A little bit of glue, just wrap it around and let it dry, and that is a completed wing. Now this next part is optional. You can also wrap the main part of the push pop with another piece of paper if you'd like, or you can just leave them plain. Now one good thing about wrapping is that you can actually write things on them. So if you wanted to put a little happy birthday message or the name of the child that this is going to go to, you can do it that way. I thought even for Valentine's Day, you could put a little happy Valentine's Day message on there and hand them out for that as well. So this part's optional. Now to attach the wings, all you do is lift up that little clip just a little bit and then just slide the wing underneath. Push it as far as it'll go to the top, and there are your wings of your airplane. Now the wheels are made with Lifesaver candies. These come in different colors and flavors, of course, and you'll need an elastic band about 3 inches in length or so, and you're going to thread the elastic band through the holes in the Lifesaver candies. Now if you're worried about the flavor of the rubber coming off on the candy, you can wash the rubber bands in hot soapy water and dry them first, and you can also use silicone bands. I have a few of those, and I'll show you one towards the end of the video, and those ones have absolutely no taste to them whatsoever. Now it's time to attach the wheels to the airplane. You're basically going to put the elastics on your fingers like this. Take the push pop, put it in the center, kind of hold on to it at the same time. Then take one of the elastic bands, stretch it out, open it up, and you're going to pull it out and over the wing, and then it's going to go on the other side of the clip, and it's going to cross in front of the plane. And then the other side, same thing, pull the elastic over the wing and then over that clip, and that's what's going to hold it in place. Just make sure the elastics make an X on the front of the push pops, and then fix up the wheels on the bottom. And just to make sure those elastics stay put, you can lift the clip up just a tiny little bit. They'll slide under a little bit, and it'll hold them nice and securely so they won't pop off on you once it's made. Now for the propeller, I'm using another piece of stick gum, a smaller one. I found one that was kind of reddish in color, and I just cutting it using a pair of kitchen scissors just to form it into the shape of a propeller, and then all you have to do is slide it underneath those elastic bands to hold it into place. And then finally, just to give it a little bit more decoration, all you have to do is attach a little red candy or whatever color you want to the propeller using a little bit of melted white chocolate, and then let that harden, and your little airplane is done. Here they are. I think these are really cute. They'd also be cute if you used a bunch of different colors. Here's one without the paper on the back part of it, and that is the red silicone band that I told you about. Look just like an elastic, very, very stretchy, and it has no taste to it. I bought them at a kitchen store. So I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for watching. This one's going on to a brand new playlist I'm going to call Edible Crafts. So check it out, and you can see some other fun things to do.